Hello. So today I am going to do just another vlog, but this time I'm gonna add a bunch of stuff in. So right now I am on the computer now. So I'm starting revision on the computer, and I am getting through it. So I'm about 90K. So, and this store is about 58, I think, or 60K. I can't remember the final, but it's probably going to be either less or more. Depends on how this revision goes. So I decided to, come on here, do a little bit while I'm charging my phone because I'm heading to the gym. I've been trying to be consistent, guys. I've been doing at least 3 to 4 days at the gym, and my legs are getting so much stronger, and I'm not as in pain like I was the first week, because you guys know I injured myself last year, and all that work that I did, I gained all that back because I wasn't working out, and frustrating, but I'm back. I also picked up this book. So this book has been on my shelf forever. So this is The Memory of Love, and I want to say it was Dee Dee that had it on our channel years ago, a couple years ago, while I picked it up. But I had it for a while, and then when I did my unread shelf, she suggested I pick it up because she really loved it, and a few other people have commented saying on Instagram that they liked it a lot. So this is what I'm going to be reading. I started it already, so I'm only about 2 chapters in. It is a story that is post a civil war in Sierra Leone. So it is an African story, and it seems going to be a lot of drama in this, and it's going to be pretty good. And it's gotten quite a few it got an award, and I was looking online to see some of the other comments, and it's got good vibes about it. So I'm definitely gonna do this. I did finish A Princess by A Duke by Default, and the other one, can't even remember the names, but I did finish those two, and I started the novella, which I'm almost done with. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna talk about the books in my wrap up, but I think I'm going to read another book that's not a part of the series before I give an opinion on the author, because if I was to just talk about these books, it's just cute. That's the best way I could sum it up. They're just cute. But I feel like there's another book that I noticed a lot of people were recommending that's a part of her historic series. So I'm definitely gonna pick that up at some point. Maybe not this month, but in February. And then after I read that, then I'm gonna do a spotlight on her and talked about the difference and how I felt about her overall. And that's what I'm gonna be. So I'm gonna do this for another hour, and then I'm gonna hit up the gym. And I bought some book. So apparently they couldn't fit in my P.O. box, which it wasn't even that many books I bought. So I gotta pick those up and then do a small haul of what I picked up recently. And these are books that I want to read in February. So we'll talk about that. Anyway, that's it for now. And I am get back into this writing thing. Bye. So I am back. It's been a couple of hours. So I came back from the gym, which I think I did too much because I am so hurting right now. And then also went to the post office to pick up the books that I had ordered. And they did put it in a huge box, so I see why they couldn't fit it. So I'm going to just talk about what I got. So I did pick up another James Baldwin, which is another country. And I picked this up because last year I read 2 James Baldwin, which I absolutely love. They were in one of my top 10 favorite. and I want to read more of his book. I'm in love with his writing, and I find that after I got past the first James Baldwin book I ever read, I realized I can't judge him from that one book because the other two books were just amazing to me. So I'm gonna read this one, and this is recommended by Dee Dee from Brown Girl Reading. She really liked this one. So yeah. Then I picked up Chigozie. I'm not even gonna try with that one because I think I'm gonna butcher it. Obioma, something like that. Anyway, An Orchestra of Minorities. Now, I read The Fisherman, I believe maybe 3 years ago. Probably more than that. It was shortlisted for the Man Booker Prize, and I remember I loved it. I loved the drama with the brothers and the storyline. So this book just came out, and I think it's his first book since. And I wanted to give it a try. It seemed, what I'm getting is somebody tried to jump over a bridge, then they fell for each other, something like that. They come from two different worlds. There's some kind of conflict. That's what I'm getting from this. I don't want to read too much into it. I'm just going to probably just go in blind. But that's what I got from this. It is a chunker. It is 443 pages, sorry. So the next one I got Pure for Comedy, and it says How to Date Men When You Hate Men. So I think this is just gonna be funny. I'm not gonna take this seriously. I just bought it because I thought it was the title and the little things that's in here so far. I'm already cracking up laughing at some of the shit in here. So yeah. And then I picked up February for Black History Month. Every year, Dee Dee selects a book, and this is the book she selected, Unforgivable Love. And it's a retale of this one, which is Dangerous Liaison. I get tongue-tied when I say the Liaison. I can't. So anyway, so I was supposed to finish reading this last year. Did not. So I was a little disappointed when this was selected because I thought I kind of want to finish this first, but it's not going to happen. So I'm definitely going to be reading this first before the original. And it is also a chunker. It's over 500 pages. But it's supposed to be a much easier read than this one. So hopefully I can fly through it. And, because I think I have a few other books I want to read next month, and they all seem to be all over 400 pages. So yeah, this is it. I am going to do a video about things I want to do for Black History Month, and I'm going to highlight other books I want to read, or have a list of books I want to select from. Whether or not I read them in February, all of them in February, but most of them probably going to get read. And then also I want to do additional. I'm going to do probably extra video. Right now I'm just doing one video a week. Most likely it's probably going to be maybe 2 videos a week highlighting Black authors that I enjoy, and for different reasons, different genre, different something that's gonna in the spirit of Black History Month. So I will definitely come back with another video talking about that. And yeah, so thanks for watching. I am going to get back on the computer and do some more editing. I want to get through another 1K word today, and so this way I have more free time next month. Yeah, next time. And thanks for joining. Bye bye.